Hi, I'm Jennie. Today's K-food is pork rib. Yes, this is a pork rib. So actually we have a spicy pork rib. But today's I will pick soy sauce with pork rib. Okay, so it's not difficult. Just the base seasoning is soy sauce. So this is ingredients. The main ingredient is a rib. This is a pork rib, and minced garlic, and this is a sliced ginger. This is a dried chili. And today I will show you how to make this pork rib is soft and also tastes good. So the secret recipe is the cook. So first you wash this rib is very cleanly, okay? So first you wash it. There's a bone, and here you clean it. But nowadays this is when you buy this one at the market. So usually they prepared cleanly and packaged. So it's not difficult to clean. Okay, you clean here this part. Okay, I washed it, and here turn on the heat, high level of heat, and here you pour this coke. Okay. You pour it and you boil this one, and then when this one is boiling, there's the bubble is a little bit the blood or something like this. They are floating on the surface. So at that time you take it out, but just leave it and wait until it's boiling. So can you see this bubble? And maybe this one is from this rib. There's some blood or greasy one, and so you take it out. I think it's about 10 minutes is enough, because after that we wash it one more time, and after that we pour the seasonings all together. We boil again. So this step is just we make this rib taste clean and nice. And also the cook make this meat soft. So make it soft and taste good. And then you power off, and we wash it one more time. Okay, we wash it with cold water. You wash it. Okay, we wash it. Now you put this rib in the wok here. Okay, and here we put the soy sauce. About I think this amount is 10 spoon. Okay, and here you pour some cooking wine, 2 spoon. And here I will tell you one more secret recipe. One more tip is this is citron syrup. So here about the same amount of soy sauce. So 8 spoon and 10 spoons. 4, 5. And here put on the heat. The level is power, so high level of heat. In here I put this ginger. you can make minced it, but today I will use a sliced one. Here I will put one more things. This is a oyster sauce. So actually oyster sauce is a little bit salty, so 2 spoons. Today's pork ribs we usually eat when we have a party or Yes, when we have a party we usually eat, or in dinner time. So actually this one is children like it. And also we have many restaurants, they sell the spice one, and here on top of the rib they put some cheese, and the young people really like it, and there's many restaurants. Just before I put the citron syrup, so the smell is really sweety and sweet and really nice. And here I put the minced garlic and 2 spoons. And here the last I put this dried chili. So you see, this one is really, actually this one I see Vietnam chili, I think, but Korean one is a little bit bigger than this. So this one is more spicy, I think. I put when the juice nearly gone, and then that is the time to serve. So I will wait some more time, and this time I will slow down. If you like sweet potato, if you have a sweet potato in your refrigerator, put together, you cook together, and also it's very nice. You see, the juice is nearly gone, so I think it's ready to serve. So I will prepare the plate. This big bowl is better. Okay. And here you put some sauce on top of it. Here, the last one, sesame seed. Okay, if you have any spring onion, and you spread on top of it, and also it's nice. Okay, it's ready to eat. So this one is pork rib and with soy sauce. So next time maybe I'll try the spicy one. Then I'll show you how to make, and with the cheese. Maybe that one also very nice. But this one is normal. Also children like it. So you try to make it and have a nice dinner. And bye. See you next time.